Hi, I'm Kelvin, your personal instructor in this series. Here I train you to be a professional auto electrician. Sit back and enjoy this video. Who will benefit from this program? Those at home that are very free. Yes, you might want to use your free time to pick up a skill. Then, those secularly employed may need an additional skill set. Not to forget our DIY car owners. You might need to harness those skills so that you can work your vehicle very well. We will train you guys and turn you to professional engineers, auto engineers. So let's get to the business proper. In this first episode, we'll be looking at the basics of car electrical system. Yes, let's start with there so that you get to understand how car electrical system works, the source of the current in the car, what kind of current exists in a car. Then it's only proper for me to also teach you how to test for these two basic currents. So let's get started. What is the source of electricity in a vehicle? It's the car battery. Yes, the car battery is the main source of electricity in a vehicle. Now, we are not here to do whiteboard animation. Let's get to a real car and see these things, how the car battery sends electricity to the vehicle, and we'll do some demonstration there. And this is a battery seated where it's supposed to be placed in a vehicle. This is usually the position where it should be seated in a vehicle. Now, if you observe, the battery has two posts. It has the positive post and the negative post. That's the positive post here with a sign plus, and a terminal is fixed in it. And this is the negative post that acts as ground that completes a circuit. And the battery sends electricity to the vehicle through the positive post and completes the circuit with the negative post. Now, we'll bring out this battery so that we'll show you how these wires run in any vehicle. Now, as you can see, let me get this off the way. The negative post has this negative terminal connected to it. It's a ground that completes the circuit. The wire runs to the engine of the vehicle and to the body. This is the part that runs to the engine. Then the other part runs to the body, as you can see. So this other wire completes the circuit. Now, this positive wire that I just touched now sends signal to the vehicle, including the fuse box and other vital electrical parts like the kickstarter that starts the vehicle, as well as the alternator, which is this that charges the vehicle, and other electrical parts in the vehicle. In this series, I'm going to show you different electrical parts in the vehicle, and we'll surely learn much about them. So far, we've seen that the car battery is very important in the vehicle as it is the primary source of the car's electricity. We've also seen how it supplies electricity to the vehicle through the positive terminal and completes the circuit with the battery's ground, that is the negative terminal. The time is now set for us to look at how to test this electricity. And what you see here is different kinds of test lamp. Test lamp varies depending on the user. So these are different types of test lamp. So we would do a demonstration and see how we can use this test lamp and test for current in the battery. So this is my own test lamp. Now I'm going to put it in the negative post, that is the ground of the vehicle, so I can test for positive current anywhere in the vehicle. Now we'll look at a positive current that enters into this fuse box. We'll be testing for positive current. Now watch. Can you see? It's showing that there's current in this wire, a positive current, because I placed it on the negative terminal. So this wire comes directly from the positive post. So look at fuses. I'm testing fuses now. They are all showing current, showing that this is a positive current.
So I could test it because I placed the test lamp, the other post, in the negative terminal. Take note of that. That is the only way you can test for positive current. If you want to test for negative current, you put the other side of the test lamp on a positive terminal or a positive wire or from the positive post. Now watch, this is ground, this is the body of the vehicle. This you can see now, you see there's current here, but that one is a ground. You can get it from the body, you can also get it from the body of the engine like I just did now. So all these are grounds, they are negative currents. You test it when the test lamp is placed in the positive battery post. So that is how you test for current. In later episodes, we are going to use this test lamp a lot. Now this is another variation of test lamp. So like I said, you can even construct your own test lamp. This is another variation of test lamp, just a bulb that has two wires. What happens here now, let me place this very well so that you get to understand what really happens here. Current flows from this positive wire here, it flows into the test lamp, but for it to shine, it has to be complete. The circuit has to be complete through the ground. So from the positive, current flows, then the other wire goes to the ground to complete the circuit. So guys, this is how far we can go in this series. It was amazing working with you guys. Truly amazing working with you guys. So in next episode, we'll be looking at some electrical parts in the vehicle. We've already learned how to test current entering some of these parts, so we'll be looking at these parts. I would introduce them to you, as well as talk about fuses and relays. So if you enjoyed this first episode, don't fail to join in the next episode. Just subscribe so that once it drops, you get a notification and you would watch the video. Then if you want a personal one-on-one tutorial online, just email us. We'll get to you. And what's more, in between now and when the next episode will drop, I will keep dropping different fix, just like I usually do in my channel. My channel is just on your screen, so you could subscribe and see more of these videos. From the bottom of my heart, I love you all, and that is why I'm here for you, to make these videos for you. See you in the next video.